Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today is day 3 in beautiful Mauritius. But before we start today's vlog, I just realized I completely forgot to show you guys how stunning Mauritius looked from the flight. Look at this view. The ocean literally changes shades from deep blue to turquoise. And the tiny islands from above look unreal. Even before landing, Mauritius already feels like a dream. Okay, now back to day 3, because today is going to be super exciting. Right now, I'm getting ready because we are heading to the famous tea factory today. And this is my outfit of the day. An all-white look with minimal jewelry, because honestly, Mauritius weather already makes everything look aesthetic. Also, quick travel tip. Always carry sunscreen and a light jacket here, because the weather changes so quickly. One moment sunny, next moment windy and chilly. We are finally leaving, and the drive itself is so beautiful. Endless greenery, mountains covered with clouds, cute little houses, and such peaceful roads. Everything here feels so calm and refreshing. And we are here. This place already smells amazing. The tea factory is actually one of the most famous attractions in Mauritius, because tea production has been an important part of the island's history for years. They are showing the entire process, from plucking tea leaves to drying, fermenting, and packaging them. It's honestly so interesting seeing how much work goes behind one cup of tea. There's also a museum here with old machines, photographs, vintage tea tools, and stories from the colonial era. And the best part? Tea tasting at the end. This whole experience feels so peaceful and refreshing. Now we are heading towards these gigantic Hindu idols, and oh my god, look at the size of them. Mauritius has a huge Indian influence because many Indians settled here years ago, and you can actually feel that connection everywhere, from temples to food and festivals. The temples are so beautiful and peaceful. The detailing, the colors, the atmosphere, everything feels so calming. Surrounded by mountains and greenery, this place looks magical. Okay, now it's finally lunchtime, because we are starving. And now the most exciting part of the day begins, because we are heading to Valle Adventure Park. Guys, this place is huge. Forests, viewpoints, waterfalls, fresh air. It literally feels like another world. Mauritius is seriously not just beaches. It has some of the most unique natural wonders too. And now we are at the famous seven-colored earth. This place is unbelievable. The sand naturally forms different colors like red, purple, yellow, brown, and orange because of volcanic minerals. And even after rain, the colors stay separate. Nature is seriously wild. Right next to it, we also get to see beautiful waterfalls and breathtaking viewpoints with endless greenery all around. This is definitely one of those places you must visit if you ever come to Mauritius. And look who we found. Giant tortoises. They are so huge and adorable. I cannot stop staring at them. Now we are finally heading back to the hotel after such a long and exciting day. Guess where I'm heading next? Yup, this beautiful spa area right here. After all the walking and exploring today, this honestly sounds perfect.